Hello guys, welcome to another video on Make Now Tech, and in this video we're going to see how we can use the Native Clipboard app. So with that being said, let's get started. The app that we're going to look today is called as Native Clipboard. What this app does is when you copy multiple contents such as text, paragraphs or anything like that from multiple websites. So what it does is it saves all the copied content in a clipboard, and whenever you want a specific content which you have copied earlier, it will appear in the clipboard, and from there you can paste it wherever you want. Sounds a bit confusing? It is really not. Just go to Play Store and search for Native Clipboard. Okay, so we are in Play Store. Search for Native Clipboard. Okay, there it is. Click on install and it will get installed. So let's go to the app. The app comes with very simple user interface with options like themes, sizes, blacklist, slot clips, backup and restore. Guys, take a note that this app works with both for root users as well as for those users who don't have root access. So for those who have unrooted phone, then whenever you first install this app, it will ask you to grant accessibility to it. So it will directly guide you to the accessibility tab, and from there you can grant access to it. And for those who have root access, they also have to install export installer to get this app working. So now just see what this app does. Open up a browser and we will copy some content. Okay, before that we will make a note so that we can copy multiple contents. Let this one be content 1, the other be content 2, and the next one be content 3. Okay, so you have created a note regarding all this. So let's get to our browser and we will copy some. Okay, so we'll copy this, select and copy. So this will be our content 1. Okay, copy. This will be our content 2. Okay, we will copy it till here. And this will be our content 3. We will copy it till here. Okay, copy. Now this is the content 1. Android has largest installed base. This is the content 2. Initially developed by Android Incorporation. And this is the content 3. Android source code is released by Google. Okay, so let's get into the Note app and we'll see what the Clipboard app does. So long press and you can see that two options appear. One is the normal paste option and another one is the clipboard. Guys, take a note that I am on Android 6.0.1 Marshmallow version. So this clipboard option directly appears over here. If you are on Android 5.0 or lower than that, so there will be an option like copy paste, and when you will click on the paste option, the clipboard will appear. So now I'm currently on Android 6.0.1. So I will click over here and as you can see the clipboard appears. So this is a content 1 which we have copied. Android has the largest base installed. This is a content 2 and this is a content 3. The post arranged or the content in that in the clipboard arranged in this order that the newest post will be at the first, then the second, then the third. So if you are getting confused, so we'll rename it. Here is the edit button icon. So we'll name it as content 1 because it is a content 1. Click on. So as you can see, it is a content 1. This is the content. Save it and long press it. If you want to zoom what your content is, so just long press it and it will get zoomed, and we will name it as content 3 and save it. So whenever you want to uh, paste a content, so just long press it and the clipboard option appears. And if you want to paste content 1, so just single click on content 1 and it will get paste. If you want content 2, so just do the same thing. Go to content 2, it will directly get pasted. If you want content 3, go to clipboard and just click on it and it will get pasted. It's really easy and simple. There are more features to this app, so let's see them. There's a theme option over here. You can theme your clipboard as ever you want. I've made a custom theme of mine own. There are pre-built collections. There is LG black theme. There's a default theme also. The background color, you can customize as ever you want. The sizes, what you want your clipboard to look to size. And there are a number of columns. So there are 2 columns per row. We'll keep it default. There is a blacklist option. You can blacklist the apps that from where you don't want to copy any content. For example, that you don't want to copy any content from the contacts. So even if you copied some content, it will not appear in the clipboard. There are short clips option. We can, the pinned. What exactly is a pinned post is whenever you long press over this icon, you can see a pin icon over here. If you click on it, so it gets pinned. What this function does is there's a clear all button over here which will clear all the posts. So whenever I click over here, it say all clear and all the contents will get cleared. But the content 3 which we have pinned is not cleared. So there's also backup and restore option. We can back up our content. So we'll back up and I'll show you how we can restore it. First we will unpin this. We have actually backed it up. So clear. Let's just go to a file manager. And you can see the Native Clipboard folder over here. This is the backup that we created. So we'll restore that. Click on restore and select the content which we have created. And see, our content is back. So there's also an advanced option over here, single paste. If you enable this option, so whenever you paste a content, for example, like I want to paste something over here. So I will click long press it and the clipboard option appears. So when you paste it, it will directly get closed. If you want to enable it, then you have to do a reboot, and there's also a smart clipboard option present. What this does is if you're typing something and you want to paste something at the same time, so the clipboard appears from the opposite side of your keyboard. And there's also compatibility mode present, which is mainly for the MIUI ROMs and for Samsung ROMs, the TouchWiz ROMs. If you enable this, this will disable the blacklisting function. Okay guys, That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll meet next time.